Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to chemistry class. So today's topic, conceptually today's topic is very broad topic, very lengthy topic. But to our class, we will do in a brief way because we are following our own book. Okay? It is the atomic mass of carbon. How many of you remember what is the atomic mass of carbon? 12. And I told you, what is the unit of atomic mass? AMU. Okay? If you write grams instead of AMU, then it will become 12 gram. Okay? 12 gram. See another example. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon, what is the atomic mass of carbon? 12. How many carbons? Just one. We should multiply by 1. I'm not writing. Plus 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. How many oxygens? 2. 12 plus 32, 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. I'm talking to those students who have practiced and were present during the last classes. If by any reason, if you have joined today, you won't be able to understand most of the part until you are intelligent enough. Okay? So what is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? 44. So I'll write here, its molecular mass is 44 AMU. Instead of writing AMU, if I want to write G, then what should I call it? Gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass, or simply the molar mass. Right? See another example. Molecular mass. I will ask a question, remember, right now. Be careful. Molecular mass of NaCl. NaCl, Na 23, chlorine 35.5, 58.5. Okay? So the mass of NaCl is 58.5. So there must be some students who must be trying to say something. Can you see a mistake over here? What the blunder I did here? Right. NaCl. NaCl is a molecular compound? Is it a molecule? No, no way at all. Because I told you the elements of 1A. What are the elements? lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. But you should memorize only the first three of lithium, sodium, potassium. And the members of group 2A, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, barium, radium. Memorize only first two or three, like magnesium and calcium. If you see a compound of these, then they do not form molecule, they simply form ionic compound. So what is the bottom line here? It's not a molecular compound. If it's not a molecular compound, I cannot write molecular mass here. It's my mistake. Repeating, what the mistake you can see in the last one, I wrote here molecular mass of NaCl is 58.5 AMU. Fine. The question is, NaCl is not a molecule. So I have no right to write its molecular mass. Even okay. So what should I write here? Instead of writing molecular mass, what should I write here? Correct. Formula mass. Now it's correct. All right. 58.5 gram. Atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass, showing them in grams, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, gram formula mass, or instead of saying so many masses, simply called molar mass. So you can say molar mass of carbon is 12 gram, molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram, molar mass of NaCl is 58.5 gram. So what we did here, we represented the atomic mass, the molecular mass, the formula mass in grams. What we did here, we represent all of these masses in grams. So according to the definition of, if you represent in this way, then this will be called 1 gram mole or simply 1 mole. What does it mean? It's not so hard. Instead of, what should I write here? I write here 1 mole of carbon. What is this? 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of NaCl. So what is the definition of mole? The bookish definition, what is that definition? The atomic mass, molecular mass, the formula mass, when expressed in gram, then it will be called 1 mole of that compound. It means 1 mole itself has no particular value. For example, if I say school fees, so the understood, school fees vary as the school changes. ABC school has that much amount, XYZ school has that much amount, Alpha Beta Gamma school has that much amount to pay. So school fees itself has no particular value. It depends on the name of the school. It depends on the school itself. All right. Similarly, mole itself has no fixed value. It depends on the substance. For example, as I told you, 1 mole of carbon means 12 gram. 1 mole of carbon dioxide means 44 gram. 1 mole of NaCl means 58.5 gram. So, what is the main point here? The definition that you will see on the screen. The atomic mass, the molecular mass, the formula mass is called, when expressed in gram, is called 1 mole. 1 point. Second point, what the mole is, you know that there is an international system of units and we have to follow those units. For example, what is the system international or SI unit for mass? Kilogram. What is the SI unit for time? Seconds. What is the SI unit for distance, for length? Meter. What is the SI unit for temperature? Not Celsius, not Fahrenheit, but Kelvin. Kelvin, okay? For electric current, we use ampere. Similarly, when a scientist wants to tell you something about the mass of a substance, then he will use the term mole. This is, I am talking conceptually. Definition that you have to write, you know. And what is the concept here? That mole, M-O-L-E, mole, its short form is M-O-L, is the SI unit for the amount of a substance. For the amount of a substance. Okay? For example, if you have a glass of water, so for a common man, we will tell that this one contains 150 gram water. For a common man, we'll say that the amount of substance in it is 150 gram. Done, okay. But for scientist, he will use another way to tell this amount. And what is that amount? Mole. That this glass contains such much quantity of moles. So what is mole? Mole is the lab unit of amount of substance. Is the unit of the quantity of matter for the scientist, for the chemist. Okay? Now, few common sense applications. Asking you, for 12 gram means 1 mole of carbon. If I say, if the 2 moles of carbon, then how many grams? 24 grams. Right? Or I say in a reverse way, 12 gram makes 1 mole. Then 24 gram of carbon will make how many moles? 2 moles. 36 gram will make how many moles? 3 moles. 1 mole of carbon dioxide means 44 gram. And 2 moles of carbon dioxide means, good, 88 gram. So if I say 3 moles of carbon dioxide, you will say thrice of this. Right? So here comes a formula. And what is that formula? That number of moles is equal to, but one thing, why were you doing this formula? What is the reason? I asked 12 gram max, one, how many moles? You said 1 mole, fine. I asked if we have 24-gram carbon, you said 2 moles. 36 gram, 3 moles. 48 grams, 4 moles. You are clever enough. But if I say we have 4,828 gram, how many moles? It will take time. So for that situation, we have the formula. Conceptually, both the things are same. So what is the formula here? Number of moles is equal to given mass upon atomic or formula mass. Or for simplicity, I can write here in my own words that number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Because I told you that molar mass can cover all type of masses. So what have we done up till now? We have done the atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass. When expressed in gram, is called 1 mole. Second, mole is the SI unit for the amount of substance. Its symbol is MOL. Its formula is this one. This we have done. Okay. Now I'm writing a question over here. We will do more questions like this, at least 2 questions in the next class. Calculate the number of moles in 100 grams, anything like water. We use the word data over here. So after reading the question, you can understand that something is given to us and a point is asked. So what is given to you? 100 gram of water. This will be called given mass. This will be called given mass. How many grams? 100 grams. And what is asked? Number of moles. So clever students can, I think, predict the solution. What is the formula to find out to find the number of moles? Number of moles means given mass upon molar mass. So first we'll find molar mass. Most of you know. Of H2O. H2O 1 into 2 plus 16, you know it, 18 gram. Nothing is left. What is the formula? Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. What is the given mass here from the data? 100. What is the molar mass here? 18. The answer is 5.55 moles. Result, 100 gram of water is equal to 5.55 mole. So just practice it. Just practice it. You will be able to understand it quite easily. एक Okay, so you can see over here the definition as I have just told you. Okay, examples written on the board also. भाई क्यों ले रहा है? And what else? This I have also told you. I'll tell you tomorrow. And what is the formula? This is the formula. So tomorrow, numericals with the same concept, and the next topic is Avogadro number. I hope that you have understood. What is the formula? Whatever mass given to you divided by the number of moles. Remember that you are preparing yourself for the board. So that is why you have to go through all of these drama, all of the this presentation. You have to write data, solution, this and that. Otherwise, I could write directly the answer 100 divided by the molar mass of water, 100 divided by molar mass of water, 18. The answer is 5.55. Then you will not get the full marks. Got it? Thank you. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.